Hello kids! Today we're going to learn about a new concept called multiplication. The name sounds long and difficult, multiplication, but it's very simple and fun to learn and play with. If you remember, we learned about addition. In addition, we take two numbers, the number 2 and add another 2 to get 4. We can say it like this: 2 plus 2 equals 4. The way to write it in mathematics is 2 plus 2 equals 4. The sign plus means plus, and the sign equal means equal. Let's see how it looks with balls. 2 balls plus 2 balls equal 4 balls. Now, let's express this using multiplication. So, let's see how it looks. 2 balls and 2 balls. Let's count how many groups of rectangles with 2 balls we have. 1 and 2. We counted 2 times 2 groups of 2 balls. Let's see how many balls we got. 1, 2, and another 2, which makes 4 balls. The way to write multiplication in mathematics is with an X. So let's write it. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now let's say it, and please repeat after me. 2 times 2 equals 4. Let's take a look at what we learned. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 2 times 2 equals 4. Now, let's add another 2 to the 2 plus 2 we already have. It will look like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Let's see how much it equals. 2 balls plus 2 balls plus 2 balls equals 6 balls. Now, let's use multiplication. One group of balls, another one group of balls, and another one group of balls. Let's understand what we see. We have 3 rectangles with 2 balls each. How do we say it? 1, 2, 3 times a group of rectangles with 2 balls. That means 3 times 2 equals 6. Wow, you did great! Now it's time to rest your beautiful head, and I think it would be a great idea to watch this movie a few more times before moving on. See you at the next fun learning activity.
Join us again soon at clubbabyedu.com, where the fun never ends.